They left you for dead. Didn't check if you were breathing. Didn't care if you'd make it. They moved on like you never existed. That silence you felt, that wasn't peace. That was abandonment. They doubted you, talked behind your back, smiled to your face but prayed for your failure. And when life hit hard, they didn't lift you up. They watched you fall. But here's what they didn't expect. You kept breathing, you kept moving, you started rising. No handouts, no sympathy, just war in your veins. You trained in silence, you healed in pain. You built yourself in the dark where no one clapped for you. And now you're not coming back for revenge. You're coming back for everything they said you'd never have. So if you're feeling alone, good. That means it's just you and the truth now. They left you for dead. Now rise.